when the Creator, in His great law, planted the great tree of peace, He uprooted it, and He threw under it all the weapons of war. He said, you are now a nation of peace, and that will be your strength. That will be what you depend on. The spiritual power of belief. Belief in your people. And if you have one mind, and you consider this again, the power that you have, that all of the animals stop and they listen. They turn and they listen to these words. Our brothers, they're natives like we are. At one time, we spoke their language. At one time, we conversed. A long time ago. Those animals, those winged, they live in a state of absolute grace. They can do no wrong. It is no time to be afraid. There is no time for fear. It is only a time to be strong. Only a time to think of the future. We are indigenous people to this land. We are like a conscience. We are small, but we're not a minority. We're the land takers. We're the land keepers. We are not a minority. For our brothers are all the natural world. And by that, we are by far the majority.
So it's very, very important that people take back their minds and that people analyze our dilemma in the context of the entire human story, from the descent onto the grassland to our potential destiny as citizens of the galaxy and the universe. It's up to each each one of us to relate to this situation in a fashion that will allow us to answer the question that will surely be put to us at some point in the future, which is, what did you do to help save the world?